Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video, as you can see, I'm gonna show you this Rowse organic honey. Nowadays organic products are sold in malls, so I got this organic honey. This product is since 1938 as it's written over here, and the bottle is very amazing. It's a plastic bottle. At the back they have mentioned that suitable for infant under 12 months also. Means if your baby is below 1 year of age, it is good for them also because it's organic. And over here they have mentioned it's 340 gram. And what else? Nothing much. Now I'm gonna open it. The pack is very easy to open, but the thing is it's sealed from inside, so I'm gonna see how I could. Yes, see, this pack is sealed. You have to open it like this. Very yum. I just love honey. Honey helps to reduce the weight also. You can have it with warm water. I'm also these days trying to reduce some weight, so I bought this organic honey for me. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye.